All right, so hopefully you guys are now looking at this and thinking, okay, so we have the parallelograms, we have the rectangle, rhombus, square. So what's going on with these top two? So looking back, what were the two pieces that we haven't talked about yet? Well, one of them was our trapezoid. So when we talked about a trapezoid, we said it has one pair of opposite sides parallel. So if that's our definition, I just want to take a look, and I have opposite sides. They are parallel here. That means I have a trapezoid. And I only have to have one in order for something to be a trapezoid. But remember, it just says that it has one. So if I had more than one, I could draw an arrow and connect here to my parallelogram. So a trapezoid or a parallelogram could be a trapezoid, but a trapezoid only has to have one pair of opposite sides parallel. All right, the other shape that we have over here was the one we actually talked about today. This is going to be our kite. So when we talked about a kite, we said that it has it has two pairs of consecutive sides congruent. So taking a look, nice thing about a kite is we know what a kite looks like because we know the kind of kite you fly. So we just have a kite, and we just know two pairs of consecutive sides have to be congruent. And my screen is jumping around. So I know these sides are congruent, and I know the bottom two sides are congruent. Just like the trapezoid, it says two pairs of consecutive sides are congruent. But what if we had all pairs of consecutive sides congruent? That would mean we can draw an arrow here down to our rhombus. And a rhombus is a type of kite, but we generally think of it more as a parallelogram than we think of it as a kite. So I know there was one more shape that we had talked about that is not on here, and we have an isosceles trapezoid. An isosceles trapezoid would kind of have its own little space off to the side here with our trapezoid. It doesn't quite fit into any of our other categories, but it is a type of trapezoid. So you could think of it as kind of branching off on its own over here. Okay, so that is all of the notes that we are going to take for today. So what I want you guys to do is go ahead and go on to your homework website, and there is a little bit of homework for you guys to do that really is going to deal with these connections between different types of quadrilaterals and the properties that each of them hold. So go ahead, go on there, get working. Miss Stolitz and I are both available whenever you guys need us to ask questions, clarify, just send us an email or come on to Zoom during our office hours, and we are more than happy to help you guys. We miss seeing you guys just as much as I'm sure you guys miss seeing each other, and hopefully us. So please, please, please come see us, and we're happy to help you guys. All right, have a good rest of your day.